Hey guys, what's going on? Blast Gaming Tipsy back with another build. Today I got this brand new Ryzen build. You know, it's fresh off the motherfucking block. You know, it's pretty good. I got like 96 gigabytes of RAM and like 5 Titan X's as well. So today I'll be showing you guys how to install a processor on the motherboard, because that's the first step in building a computer. Okay guys, we'll go there now. Stop recording.
Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Nintendong65DD here. I got some sick new content for you guys. I'm gonna be helping out my boy Blast Gaming 60 DD. So yeah, so we're gonna be building a computer for you guys. It's gonna be super dope. So okay, so we're gonna start off with I'm okay, guys. Sorry. So we're gonna hook up this fan. These are new parts, as you can tell by this this here. It's very pretty and there's no dust. So we're gonna give me a second. I'm just gotta. Okay, we're all good there. So we're gonna hook up the SATA cable now. So SATA cable goes right here. So here, let me get my trusty helper. Okay. So we have that on there, so we're gonna plug the RAM in. I mean, no, wait, no. This is the graphics card, right? Yeah, this is the graphics card, so.
Sorry, mistakes are happening.
Damn, I can't do this.
Hold on, let me give you some help with that.
Okay,
hold on.
Thanks, buddy.
Here, this is actually how you're supposed to install it. I don't care how that Linus Tech Tips fool says it. This is how you're supposed to do it.
Okay. So we got the RAM all plugged in. Now we're gonna hook up our CPU. Well, the CPU cooler really doesn't want to work. I mean, Cooler Master, I love them and all, but that's some really. Okay, I'm really done with this shit, so I'm just gonna, let me just help. I know this is very gimmicky, but that's because I gotta help it out a little bit, so my trusty. Okay, so now we gotta hook up our SATA cable. Once again, we're gonna, this plugs into the RAM slots over here. Okay, so now we have that all plugged in. We're gonna hook up our other
Third SATA cable. This is for our power supply.
This goes, oh yeah, this goes over here.
This SATA cable is for your power supply.
Yeah, this goes right here. So.
Hold on. You know, this is actually the only tool you'll need for this whole build.
Okay, so we're all good?
Alright, so we got that done.
If this ever breaks off, it's a very common mistake. It's actually supposed to happen. So what you do is usually just usually take one of these things off. You don't need these. These are bad. You don't need those anymore.
Yeah, and you see these like little like capacitor things in there? They're like actually not supposed to be.
What you're supposed to do is you're actually supposed to just go.
So next, actually,
like
what you want to do is like.
Yeah, pretty much just like that.
So you want to do that. That's actually how you take those
now
things
out. Now we got a couple more things, and we're gonna have my boy Blast Dick Hole over here.
Yeah, the CPU installation is actually the hardest part, so that's why I'm doing it.
No, he's actually running with the graphics card.
Yeah, it's actually the graphics card.
Graphics card, you idiot. Okay.
So next, what you want to do is you want to install your power supply.
Oh, dude, that's dusty. And these are new parts. Okay, so we're good. This is our thermal paste. So you're supposed to put it actually right here first. So you just squeeze that stuff in there. We're not gonna do that yet, though.
That'll be next.
Yeah. So next you gotta hook up your. This is your RAM. Well, no, this is your CPU cooler.
No, that's the CPU cooler and the power supply.
Yeah, so that powers up your computer. So it looks like that's all for now. Wait, no, we have one slight problem.
Also, you gotta give all your money to NVIDIA and Intel. So you know, use all your money and give it to NVIDIA and Intel.
Yeah, pretty much. So
so you have to take all this money and then there you go.
It looks like I put all these rocks in here, but the problem is the graphics card doesn't fit. So we're gonna have to fix up the CPU cooler over here. Okay, we're all good now. So now we're gonna throw back in our CPU cooler, and we're good. Okay, so we're gonna hand this over to my buddy 60 dong here. So he's gonna hook up the graphics card and the hard drive. So yeah, see you guys in the next scene. And before we do this, I'd like to show you what version of Windows we're getting. We're getting Windows 10 Pro. It's the newest one that we got. It's server edition too. So okay, thank you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. So make sure you go follow and check out some of my sick quick scopes we got. And yeah, well, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry guys. Turns out that Nintendo 66 is back. So it turns out some of the pins were bent. As you can see by these ones, these are all terribly bent. We fixed a couple of them, like this capacitor, for example, and this fan. So we're gonna fix this up real quick. So. Okay, so they're all fixed now. We should be good. So now they're all good. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're all set now. So see you guys later.
So that was Nintendo 32. Alright, so this is your heatsink, your average heatsink. Next what you want to do is take this fan. You don't need that for now. You want to take this fan, move that. Where's it? There it is. You want to make sure to bend the pins. The pins are supposed to be bent, and also what you want to do is you want to spin on it a little bit too. And you want to first what you want to do is just like move it like that, and then what you want to do, since that's on there, you want to like move it on there like that a little bit, and then alright,
These are new parts, by the way.
Alright, actually there's one last thing. You're gonna take the processor again, actually, which is surprising. And cameraman, you want to get rid of your hammer for now. And you want to take this baseball bat over here. You want to take this and just actually I didn't hit it because I'm actually pretty good. So you want to zoom in on that, cameraman. You just want to really quickly. Alright, now it's ready to go back in the computer, okay? So what you want to do now is move this stuff a little bit and take that and then just Alright guys, that was a successful install of the new Ryzen CPU. Subscribe for more content, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, I forgot to say some of the parts, like this graphics card, they were incompatible with a motherboard. So what you want to do is, this is how you recycle parts, by the way. Don't listen to anybody else. You take it, you bend it a little bit, and then you want to just like get it on your knee, and then just make it till it like snaps in half. And then you see how it's in half now. You want to take it, and I don't know, you can do whatever you want with it from there. So you just take that and there you go, build complete, guys. Like I said, subscribe for more. Bye, guys.
Hey, do you want to find that nice hot girl in your class where she lives? Well, check out OneLikePages.com. You can even get your premium account. Just sign up with an email and password and your credit card, and you can find out where anybody lives. Sounds like a plan to me. I think you better check it out.